shrimps, I'm back again. Now this week we're carrying on with Down in the Jungle theme, and I'm bringing in a story all about tigers. Well, it's not really all about tigers, it's about one tiger. If you've watched the other video clip that I've made, it's a story called The Tiger Who Came to Tea. Here is the tiger who came to tea. That's the story I read on another video. So I hope you've enjoyed that and watched that. Today, though, I've got a little friend sat next to me. And this is Tommy Tiger. And he wants to learn a new number song. Now, in our nursery, I know we've been singing 5 currant buns in a baker's shop quite a lot. And we're good at that song. And we sometimes watch it on the big screen, and it's on BBC School Radio, so you can have a look at that and join in with that version. But today I've changed the version a little bit. Now, in the story The Tiger Who Came to Tea, the tiger was so hungry he ate lots and lots of things. He ate everything in that house. So Tommy, are you as hungry as that big tiger? But would you like something to eat? What are your favourite things, Tommy? He says cherry buns. So we have got some cherry buns here today. And I thought we could change the song 5 currant buns in a baker's shop to become 5 cherry buns in a baker's shop. So we've got some here. Let's have a little count and see how many we've got. We'll pretend it's a shop then, okay? So we're going to count them out onto the table in a little row. Let's pop them there. Are you ready? So we have 1. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 currant, but they're not currants, they're cherries. I've changed the song. 5 cherry buns in a baker's shop. And they have got a cherry on the top, look. Okay, and I've got 5 fingers. Did you notice how I put 1 finger up each time we counted 1 more? Yeah. Now I've also made some little number cards. So let me see. Oh, they're over here. Now these are easy to make. You can make these at home as well. Make little number labels. Just fold over a piece of card or some paper. That's all I've done with these. Okay, so if I just move them there, we can put the number behind them. See if that works. There we go. So we have this number. That's 1. Can you show me 1 on your finger? Well done. Very good. 1. We'll put number 1 next to that one. Just 1. Number 1. Oh, and I've put a spot next to it to show you that's how many. 1. This number is 1 more than 1. What's 1 more than 1? What's that number? Well done. It's 2. Look, I put 2 fingers up. But there's also 2 spots. 1, 2, 2. And now 1, 2 cherry buns. 1, 2. What's 1 more than 2? Can you see? There's a number there. That's number 3. 1 more than 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3 spots under my 3. And we can put that next to number 2. A bit like a number line, look. 1, 2, 3 cherry buns. Let's move that over a little bit. Now, what's 1 more than 3? Well done. 1 more than 3 is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. 4. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cherry buns. And there's even 4 spots underneath number 4, just in case you forget what that number is. Okay, so there is 1 more than 4. What would that be? Just pointed it to it on here. 1 more than 4 is... Well done. It's 5. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. 1 more than 4 is 5. Pop Put it on there. Look, we've got like a number line now. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cherry buns. Can you get 5 cherry buns on your hand? They could be your cherry buns. You could show that many on your fingers. Okay, so we're going to sing the song. So it's pretty much the same as 5 currant buns, except the words are a little bit different. And let's see now, Tommy Tiger is always hungry. Tommy Tiger wants to come and buy these cherry buns. So he's going to buy these cherry buns. I'm just going to put a little tea plate over there. Okay, and he's going to buy these, but he needs something to buy them with. What would he need if he goes to a baker's shop? You can't just take them, you have to buy them. But if you're buying them, what would you need? That's right, you would need some money. You need some pennies, just like in 5 currant buns in a baker's shop, where there's always somebody who comes along with a penny one day, and they take it right away. So you can only take it away when you bought it with a penny. Let's see if Tommy's got any money. Have you got any money, Tommy? He's got some money. How much have you got? Should we count? He's just shown me in his hand. He has got 1 penny, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's got 5 pennies. So he's got 5 pennies to buy his cherry buns. Let's see if we can sing this song. See if you can come and buy your 5 cherry buns. Would you like that? Oh, he's getting excited, look. Very excited. Right, everybody get your 5 fingers. These are your cherry buns. You ready? Okay. 5 cherry buns in a baker's shop. Round, big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Tommy with a penny one day. Here he is. He's got a penny. Oh, he's giving that to the shopkeeper. He bought a cherry bun and he took it right away. He's taking it to his little picnic plate. There he goes. So we had 5. But now we've got 1 less because he's taken 1 away. How many have we got left? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cherry buns in a baker's shop. Are you ready? 4 cherry buns in a baker's shop. Big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Tommy with a penny one day. Pop the penny in there. He bought a cherry bun and he took it right away. Oh, he's very happy now, aren't you? Right, so we had 4. What's 1 less than 4? Well done. Did you say 3? 1 less than 4 is 3. We've got 1, 2, 3 left. Well done. So 3 fingers up. 3 cherry buns in a baker's shop. Right big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Tommy with a penny one day. There he is. He bought a cherry bun and he took it right away. So he's bought another cherry bun, took it right away. How many now are there? How many are left? So we had 3, but now he's took another one away. That means 1 less than 3 is, well done, 2 left. And you can see 1, 2, 2 left. 2 fingers. 2 cherry buns in a baker's shop. Big and round with a cherry on the top. Along came Tommy with a penny one day. Here he comes, puts the penny in there. He bought a cherry bun and he took it right away. He's took it away again. He's very greedy and hungry, aren't you, Tommy? Right, so how many have we got left? We had 2, but now it's 1 less than 2, which makes it, how many is 1 less than 2? have a little think. Did you say 1? Well done. 1 less than 2 is 1. And look, we've only got 1 left here. So 1 finger for your cherry bun. Are you ready? 1 cherry bun in a baker's shop, big and round with the cherry on the top. Along came Tommy with a penny one day. He bought a cherry bun and he took it right away. Oh, he's very happy now. Are you happy? Oh, he is. He's having a little dance because he's got... How many have you got? He's got 5. How many have we got left in front of us at the shop? 0. This is 0. 0. That means none. None left because Tommy's bought them all, haven't you, Tommy? But what was that, Tommy? You want to share them with me? Ah, Tommy wants to share them with me. Tommy, you are so kind. Oh, he's so kind. He wants to share them with me. Do you know, Tommy, the shrimps are the best at sharing. All the lovely shrimps. You share very nicely as well, don't you? You always share everything so nicely. Oh, you want to meet them one day? I'm sure he can come and meet you, can't he, shrimps, one day when we're all back together? He can come and join us. Right, let's get these number cards. I'm going to put all these together. Okay. And in fact, we might just make a number line with them here. And what we're going to do is Tommy wants to share his lovely cherry buns with me. But to do that, I think I might need a plate. Let me see if I can find myself a lovely little picnic plate. Oh, here's one. And one for Tommy, which has got all his cherry buns on. In fact, I might have to move these back. I'll put these over here. We'll use them in a minute, maybe, because it won't fit. We were going to be outside having our little picnic, but the rain came along and made all our cherry buns go soggy, so we had to come inside and have our little picnic inside and play our shop game inside. Sometimes we do that, but when it starts raining, we'll go back out again, because we love it outside, don't we, Tommy? He thinks it's a jungle out there, don't you? Yes. Right, so this is Tommy's plate. Yeah, and this is my plate. So he's going to share them. So how many did we start with? Let's count them out onto the table. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we can't see them there. We need to move them back. Start again a little bit. Move that back a little bit. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start with 5 every time. So Tommy, how many would you like and how many shall I have? So when we're sharing, we need 2 plates. We've got 1 for me, 1 for Tommy. So 2 plates, we can share them. So let's see, how many would you like? Oh, Tommy said he'd like just 1. Does that mean I can have all the rest? That means I can have 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see that? Tommy's got 1 and I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on my plate and 1 on Tommy's. How many did we start with? We started with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 for me and 1 for Tommy. That doesn't seem very fair, does it, Tommy? If I have more than you, should we find a better way? Because I don't want to have more than you. It seems a bit unfair. How else? Should we put them all back in the middle again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's try a different way, shall we? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 for me, and that means 1, 2 for you. Let's count mine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3 for me and 2 for Tommy. Who's got more this time? Me again. I've got more than Tommy. Oh, I don't want to have more than you. Let's see if I could find a different way. So we had 3 for me and 2 for you. How many does that make all together still? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still got 5. Let's find a different way. So 3 and 2 combined to make 5 as well. Let's put them there because I still have more than you, didn't I? Put those there. Can you see them? Let's find another way. Okay. Now, I didn't want to have more. I want you to have more. See if we can share them a different way. You have more this time. Okay. Let's see. So this time, I'm going to have 1, 2. How many are you going to have? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2 on my plate, 1, 2, 3 on your plate. There's still 5 because we're sharing 5 every time. So who's got the most this time? Who's got more? Yes, this time you've got more, Tommy. That's better. I didn't want to have more. But every time we've shared them, how many did we have all together each time? Can you remember? So this time we had 2 and he had 3. When we combine them again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I could show you that on my finger. So I had 1, 2, and Tommy had 1, 2, 3. When we combine them, there's still 5 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's all different ways of sharing. Still the same amount that we started off with each time. See if you can share something at home. It might be that we've got 4 strawberries or 4 raspberries. Or, well, it could be anything. I've got some more things here. I'll just show you very quickly. Now, these are just some ideas for your mummies and daddies. If you're having a snack, it might be you're having lunch. Look. Now, we're having a tea party now, aren't we? We're going to have tea in a minute. So we're just going to very quickly show you an idea for your mummies and daddies. You could use number labels and say, can you count me 3 sandwiches for my plate, please? Put your number label there. 1, 2, 3. So they're counting out different amounts of foods. Or you could say, can we share the 4 sandwiches if I find a number 4? So we've got 4 sandwiches on my Spider-Man plate. Can't really see that, but there's a Spider-Man plate there. So we've got 4 sandwiches, and we're going to share them between me and Tommy. 1, 2. You can have 2. 1, 2. Let's just check how many we had all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've shared them. 2 on my plate, 2 on Tommy's plate. Or we could have shared them. I've got more this time. 1, 2, 3 on my plate and 1 on Tommy's. Still, there's only 4 to share. 1, 2, 3, 4 all together. Okay, so those are sandwiches. Spider-Man plate with sandwiches. We like that one. Oh, yeah, Spider-Man. They were cucumber sandwiches. Or it could be strawberries. One of our favourite fruits at the moment in my house is strawberries. So your grown-ups could have numbers up to 10 even. Any number that you're working on at home. It could be 9. You could ask them, can they count 10 strawberries? I wonder if we've got enough of these strawberries. Let's count them onto Tommy's plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could do that. I got 10. There's my number label. You could make a number label to go with it. Okay, or you could say, right, I'm going to put, I want you to put 9 on and 1 more. What would that be? And they could work out how many. So I'm just giving you a few ideas there what to do. Okay, So now, me and Tommy, we're going to have a picnic now. We've got some, what are those? What do they look like? Carrot sticks. We've got some cucumber sticks. We've got some raspberries. Yummy, yummy. And some blueberries as well. All these lovely foods. And our little cherry buns as well. Oh, are you ready for a cup of tea now? Got our little teapot. And we've got 2 My Little Pony cups. And we're going to have our little tea. If you're pretending, you've got to make the noise like the tea coming out. There we go. Okay, you ready for your tea? We're going to have our tea party now. So you can go and have a tea party maybe at your house, if your mums or dads will let you. Have a lot of fun counting out your snacks or your foods. And don't forget our Cherry Buns song. See if you can teach it to your family at home. You can listen to my video as many times as your grown-ups let you, and then you can teach it to your cuddly animals maybe. Tommy, did you learn that song now? Oh yes, did you like that song? Or did you say, he wants to eat his tea party now? Okay, we've got to go now, everybody. So shrimps, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye. Yummy, yummy. Oh, he's eating the carrot sticks already. See you next time.